In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PowerPoint file into a Google Slides presentation. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful if you're looking to take advantage of Google Slides' collaboration features, or if you simply prefer working within the Google ecosystem. So let's get started. The first step in this process is to have your PowerPoint file saved on Google Drive. If you haven't done this yet, head over to Google Drive. Once there, you'll want to click on the New button, which you'll find in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose File, Upload, then navigate through your files to select the PowerPoint presentation you wish to convert into Google Slides. This will start uploading your file to Google Drive. If you've already completed this step and have your file ready just like I have for this video, then you're already a step ahead and ready for the next phase. Once your PowerPoint file is securely uploaded onto Google Drive, the next thing you need to do is locate it among your other files. Scroll through your drive until you spot the file you're interested in converting. Here's a helpful tip. As you hover your mouse over the file, you'll see some options pop up, like sharing and previewing. But to continue with this process, you'll want to right-click on the file. When you do this, a menu will appear showing various actions you can perform. One of these options is Open With. Go ahead and hover over that, and you'll see several applications that can be used to open your file. In this case, you'll want to select Google Slides. Click on it, and just like that, your PowerPoint file will open within Google Slides. It's a seamless process, and what's great is that you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Google Slides manages the transition quite well. Now that your presentation is open in Google Slides, you might notice that the transition has preserved the integrity of your slides quite effectively. You've essentially reached the final step, which is to save this newly opened file as a Google Slides document officially. To do this, navigate to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the File menu. Click on it, and a drop-down menu filled with options will appear. Look for Save as Google Slides and select it. And there you have it. Your PowerPoint presentation is now successfully converted and saved as a Google Slides file. By converting with these steps, you open your presentation up to Google Slides' fantastic sharing and collaboration features. This will allow for real-time teamwork and ensure your presentations are accessible across various devices. As you become accustomed to this process, you'll find it's a quick routine that offers great peace of mind thanks to Google's reliable cloud-based system. So anytime you have a PowerPoint file you want to move onto Google's versatile platform, just remember, upload it to Google Drive, right-click to open with Google Slides, and save it from there. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Happy converting!